sponsorships are a little bit different is I only work with companies that I have a passion for or passion with, whether it's truck parts or bike parts or whatever it may be. When I go after a sponsor, I go after the guys that not only that can help me, but that I can see that I'm helping as well. Yeah. I got offered a sponsorship one time, and it was going to be an awesome deal for me. They wanted to pay me a monthly salary, and I was like, yeah, it sounds great. And what a lot of guys that think being sponsored is all about is just getting free stuff or getting free money or whatever. For me, it's not that. For me, it's I want the sponsor to see their return on their investment into me.
Absolutely.
And that's what makes it worth it on both ends.
Right, exactly.
I mean, that's
more than
why
ever
we do
now.
It.
Right.
More than ever now.
And this particular sponsor that wanted me, wanted their sticker on my bike and all this stuff, it was something I didn't see me being able to provide the return for. They were a big rig trucking company that had a wrecker service, and it was a completely different demographic. And I was like, man, for me, it'd be great. For them, I didn't see a win. And it was one of those things, I literally was like, I came to him and was like, look, I love it, I'd like to do it, but here's what I suggest. And I made a whole slew of different suggestions for them and showed them that basically they shouldn't have went with me. And because I was not their demographic. It was not, they weren't gonna get what out of me. So where I go after the sponsors, I go after the guys I know for a fact I can show them a good return. One, that I'm passionate about their product. Two, am I in the right in front of demographic? Are the people, my fans that see me jump or ride every single week, or the guys that see me at the car shows, are they actually going to use their product? And by honing in on that, that's where my sponsorships have really blossomed in the last 20 years. For sure.
You have, man.